How to see who's connected to your Wi-Fi router. Open the Settings app on your device and tap your Wi-Fi network. Tap the info icon next to your network and copy the IP address listed for the router. Open any web browser. Paste the IP address into the search bar and tap Go. You'll be prompted to log into your router. The login details are usually printed on the router itself. Common defaults are admin for the username and password for the password. Once you're logged in, the router interface may look different depending on your model. Look for a section called Wi-Fi devices, attached or connected devices, or something similar. Open that section to view a list of all devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi, including their names and connection types. Many routers also allow you to block unknown devices directly from this list. Alternatively, you can download your router's companion app, for example, Linksys, TP-Link Tether, or Netgear Nighthawk, from the App Store or Google Play. Log in through the app to see and manage all devices connected to your Wi-Fi.